Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Start by powering off your HP15s-eq laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, carefully remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is important to prevent any electrical issues while you work on the device. Now, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. After the back panel is removed, locate the screen connector. It's usually situated near the hinges of the laptop. Now you'll need to disconnect the old screen. Carefully detach the cable by pulling it straight out. If you find it difficult, use your tweezers to assist in the process. With the cable disconnected, you can now remove the screws holding the screen in place. These screws are typically located at the corners of the screen. Once the screws are out, gently lift the screen away from the laptop. Be mindful of any remaining cables that may still be attached. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. Now take your new screen and align it with the mounting points. Secure it in place by replacing the screws you previously removed. After the screen is secured, reconnect the screen cable to the motherboard. Ensure it's firmly in place to avoid any display issues later on. Before reassembling the laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This will help maintain the performance of your laptop. Once everything is clean and the new screen is connected, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the back panel. Finally, if you need a quote before repair or have any concerns, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. Power on your laptop to test the new screen. If everything works as it should, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen on your HP15s-eq laptop. If you encounter any issues, remember, no calls, no travel. We're here to help you with our convenient services. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.